Hi everyone, with me today I have this rolling makeup train case and I'm absolutely in love with it. I think it's the perfect mix of glam and function. First off, this glitter pink color is so pretty and this case is incredibly versatile. It has a 4-in-1 transformable design so you can use it as a full rolling trolley as you see here, or you can detach sections to make it a 3-in-1 or even a 2-in-1 case. The top compartment has 4 small trays and extra space, making it perfect for frequently used items like my everyday makeup. The middle sections have foam-lined trays with dividers, and they are great for delicate items like nail tools or skincare bottles. And the bottom section is spacious and open, making it perfect for long bottles, hair tools, and everything I don't use daily but still want neatly organized. The detachable swivel wheels make it super easy to roll around, and the reinforced aluminum edges and steel corners make it extra sturdy. This case can hold up to 66 pounds. Whether you're a makeup lover, hairstylist, or you just want the ultimate beauty storage, this case keeps everything organized and it's super easy to transport. It's gorgeous, practical, and has a place for absolutely everything. An absolute must have, and I definitely recommend you guys to grab yours now on Amazon.